Hello, my dear friends, my English learner, and I am also learner. So that's why I always make video to improve my spoken English. Okay, and today I would like to talk about randomly. Don't take any topic. Okay, and after having lunch, after the time I had been sleeping for 1 hour. Okay, and few minutes ago I get up from sleeping, and then I decided to make video to improve my spoken English. Okay, I want to make my confidence in front of people, so that's why I try to improving this. And I mentioned to you before that I live in mess. That's why um, my background is not well decorated. Here I am living, but my everything is not well decorated. Okay, so that's why you don't mind that my background is not well. Okay, but I don't think about that whatever my background is, but I have to practice a lot in front of you, in front of public place. But right now I don't talk properly in public place. Okay, so in this side I have some lackings. So day by day I am improving how can I talk in public place. Okay, and today is Friday, that's why it is free time for me. Not only me but also every students in this time they are free. Okay, so that's why I washed my all clothes. Okay, across the week I wear lots dresses, so that's why it had been dirty, so I had to wash today of them. Okay, so but I didn't dry my dresses into the sunshine. Okay, I hanged all of my dresses in my room. Okay, you can see one dresses is hanging on the roof, no problem. Okay, so it's become dried by the fan weather. Okay, so it's not problem for me, that's all. And I told you that I was talking about randomly. Okay, so few days ago I patched my one iron machine from my house. Okay, because I think it's needed for me. Sometimes my dresses is wrinkle. Okay, so that's why I fetched my iron machine from my village. Okay, so before getting dress I try to do iron of my dresses, because it iron machine also good for make us smart. Okay, so I try to use it. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, iron machine, this is my iron machine. Okay, which I bought 1 years ago, but when I came to Dhaka, that time I uh, left it in my village. So few days ago I have taken from my village it. Okay, and every day I try to improve my spoken English. So if you have any great way to improve, and but I am not confident properly to speak in English in public place, so in this sector I want to improve. So which way I will be able to improve my spoken English, you can comment. Okay, and also I yesterday I bought one sound box. Okay, there are two sound box, because to hear the listening loudly, because I think I feel well whenever the some listening I hear loudly. Okay, that's why I bought two boxes to hear the sound properly. Okay, okay, told you something for far, not for far away. Okay, if I made any mistake, please pardon me, forgive me. I will come again in front of you.